ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयिवन्
ऐवन्
ऋलुक्
ऋलुक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
औच्
एवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
न्यमाङ्गणम्
न्यमङ्गणम्
जभै
जबै
घटदश्
घटदश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खपचठथ चटतौ
कपचटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल् अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
यशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
रसानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
यमगणनानां नासिका च
यमगणनानां नासिका च
एदैतोगो कण्ठतालु
एदैतो कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
कंठोष्टम्
अकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
जुह्वामूलीयस्य जुह्वामूल्यम्
जुह्वामूलीयस्य जुह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
मे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
सुऔजस्
सुऔजस्
औक्षस्
औक्षस्
आभ्याम्बिस्
आभ्याम्भिस्
एभ्याम्ब्यस्
एभ्याम्भ्यस्
नसीभ्याम्ब्यस्
नसीभ्याम्भ्यस्
नस् ओस् आम्
आम्
नी ओस् सुप्
सुप्
सुऔजस्
सुऔजस्
द्वितीया विभक्ति बहुवचन प्रत्यय शस्. Is it sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam?
It is not.
It's not. It is not. It doesn't apply, right? It's supratyaya.
It is
It's supratyaya, right?
It is supratyaya. Therefore,
It is not a dhatu. Yeah. It is neither dhatu.
neither sarvadhatukam nor ardhadhatukam. The sanya, it's applied to pratyas added to dhatus only, not to the pratyas added to pratipadikam. Therefore, that sanya is not applicable here. Okay. And what are the names of these pratyas in this place for pullinga stringa? That is 1 1 1 2 1 3 and 2 1 2 3. Remember the name? The sut pratyas are given the name. We have seen the declension of marut shabda. Not just the declension, derivation. How marut shabda is derived from the sut pratyaya by adding sut pratyas. You all remember?
Yes, sir.
These 5 pratyas, the first 5 pratyas, that is su, pratama vibhakti ekavachana pratyaya, au, pratama vibhakti dvivachana pratyaya, jas, pratama vibhakti bahuvachana pratyaya, and the dvitiya vibhakti ekavachana pratyaya, and out, dvitiya vibhakti dvivachana pratyaya. These 5 pratyas are called sarvanamasthana pratyaya. We have seen this in Marut Shabda. If you remember, Marut. Like, I will show you. Do you see this? Remember now?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So here, the Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachana Pratyaya, that is Bhyam. Tritiya Vibhakti Bhagavachana Pratyaya, Bis. Similarly, Chaturthi and Panchami and Saptami Bhagavachana. These pratyas, that is Bhyam, Bis, Vyas, and Sut, when they are added to the Pratipadika, that Anga, that is Pratipadika, also has the status of
Padda.
Padam. Remember that?
Yes.
Yes.
That is why we are able to apply the Padanta Vidhi and do Sandhi and all. Okay. We have seen in Marut Shabda, all the whole derivation we have seen.
Yeah.
Marut Shabda. These pratyas, that is Tritiya Vibhakti, Dvivachana, 3233, 4243, 5253, and 73. That is Bhyam, Bis, Vyas, and Sut. The Anga corresponding to this pratyas, that is Pratipadikam, also has a status of a Padam. That is number one. So when we talk about this, at time I told the first five pratyaya, that is Su, Au, Jas, Out. These are called Sarvanamasthana pratyaya. I'm just, I think I have told you this, the name of these pratyayas. Have you heard Sarvanamasthana? Are you hearing for the first time?
It seems.
I think first time.
Yeah, I think.
Are you hearing for the first time Sarvanamasthana pratyaya?
Yes,
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 sir.
I think so, yeah. I don't remember.
Yeah, we didn't note down also. So
Thought I mentioned anyway. No problem. Just to know the names, that is enough. Because later when we see the other pratyaya, Shatra, Shana, Krit pratyaya, so there the Sarvanamasthana, the Sanya is important, and you will see what changes happen to the Anga when these pratyayas follow. We are going to see that. Just know the name, Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya. Don't confuse with Sarvanama Shabda. That is different. Sarvanama Shabda is different. Sarvanama Sthana, that is the name of the Pratyayas. Su, Au, Jas, Out. You can call that as Sud. Short form of that is Sud. Starting from Su, ending with Takara. Sud. Su, Au, Jas, Out. These five pratyas are called Sarvanamasthana pratyaya. We'll talk about this more on this when we deal with other Kridanta pratyas, which we are going to see. We are going to see after Tumun, Lyap, Twa Lyap, and then Shatra Shanach. So it will go for another maybe 40-50 classes. The same pratyaya will go. Once we know all these, then we can get into the lessons. We can start reading fluently. So getting to know, now we are exposing ourselves to the Shabdas, the derivation and all. Okay. Now, Su, Au, Jas, Out, these are Sarvanamasthana pratyaya. What about the Sambodhana Pratama? There also Su, Au, Jas is there. There also the same pratyayas are there for Sambodhana Pratama, that is 81, 82, 83. Those are also Sarvanamasthana only. Okay. Yes, Krishnan, you are asking something?
No,
Can you, okay. Can you all hear me?
Yes, Sharanji.
Okay. And Marut Shabda, we saw the derivation. Other Shabda, Marut Shabda is simple, that's why I gave that. So other Shabdas slowly I will introduce, maybe later, not now. But I would ask you to recall all the Shabdas. Remember, revise all the Shabdas, starting from Rama Shabda up to the last Shabda. What was the last Shabda we saw? The rest of Shabdas? In this file itself, the last Shabda, you will see that as, yeah, seen Akaranta Shabda, Ajanta Shabda for Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga we have seen. And Halanta Shabda, the last Shabda what we saw was
Vedas.
yeah,
Vedas,
Vedas and Manas.
Manas. Yes. So there also you remember Vedas plus Bhyam. What will happen? Vedas plus Bhyam. Vedas plus Bhyam. What is Vedas? What is Sakara there?
Padanta Sakara.
Vedobhyam.
Padanta Sakara. Therefore, Padanta Sakara will become Room.
Visarga.
Ru is nothing but Repa.
Repa.
You can apply the Vidhi preceded by Ya followed by Harsh. Therefore becomes U Edhobhyam. Similarly, Manobhyam. It's all very helpful. All the Sandhi rules are very helpful in deriving these forms. So we have seen Sakaranta Shabda. Up to Sakaranta Shabda we have seen. So Nakaranta also we have covered. Atman, Nakaranta Shabda, Brahman, Naman. So since,
Karin. Karin is the last
Karin
one.
also, I think, yeah. Yeah, Karin.
so we can't chant all the Shabdas every class. So I would ask you to go through the Shabdas. Even though now we are not doing Subanta, but please recall the Shabdas, important. And you will see the usage of that when we see the next topic. So, just to make you recall that. Okay. Now we will continue with this. So these pratyas are important and the shabdas are important. Certain shabdas better you know by heart, will be very helpful. Certain shabdas you can know by derivation. Anyway, when I start the Subanta topic, that time I will start from the beginning. Again, I will do the declension of Marut. Okay, now let us chant this. Tip tas ji,
Ji.
sip tas ta,
Siptasta.
mip vas mas,
Mas. Mas.
ta atam ja,
Atam ja.
tas atam dvam,
Atam.
Atam.
it vahi mahing,
Vahi. Mahi.
Mahim.
These are the original pratyas, tiptas ji, siptasta, shortly called ting pratyas added to the dhatu. Is it sarvadhatukam or adhidhatukam?
Sarvadhatu.
Sarvadhatukam.
No, it should be
Sarvadhatukam.
there. Yes, sarvadhatukam.
Yeah, thing is sarva.
Yes, thing. Then the lat pratyas, which are derived from the original pratyas. Ti, taha, anti,
Anti.
si, taha, tha, mi, vaha, maha,
Maha.
te, ate, ante,
Ate. Ante.
se, ate, dve,
Ate.
ye, vahe, mahe,
Mahe.
just a minute. Can one of you tell me which was the last dhatu we saw here in this list of dhatus?
I think
It means first gana we have done, right?
Yeah.
First gana I've
Yeah,
taken.
we saw man only.
Okay, it means first gana done. Now fourth gana. Did you try the other dhatus in the first gana? Please do other dhatus in the first gana. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. First, there may be more than 50 dhatus, I think, in the list of dhatus. The file, if you see, which I sent before.
Yeah.
The file is not edited. Unedited, I just sent. If you see the dhatus, there will be more than 50 important dhatus I have given. Based on the ending of the dhatus or upada of the dhatu, ikaranta dhatu, ikanda dhatu, atupada dhatu and all. So please practice. Then only you will be familiar with the forms. So man dhatu we did. Okay. Now let us take other dhatu. Nas. Nas adarshane. Do you see? Nash. Nas adarshane. It is not nas actually, it is nash only. It's a typo, I think. It is nash. Do you see the dhatu nash?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Sharanji.
What happened to the murdanya nakara?
Nakara.
Natvam happens.
Natvam.
Beginning with the nakara.
When does it happen?
When the dhatu begins.
Upajadika dhatu beginning with nakara.
Dhatu in the dhatu pata. Dhatus in the dhatu pata beginning with murdanya shakara will become dantya sakara, number one. And beginning with murdanya nakara will become dantya nakara. This is a rule. In the upadesha, what is upadesha?
Panini's work.
Panini's
Not Panini's sutras only. The Pancha Grantha, remember?
Yeah, all the
Sutra
dhatu.
Pata, Dhatu Pata, Ganapata, Unadi Sutra, Linganushasana. These 5 are called Upadesha.
Dhatu
Dhatu Pata. Okay, these 5 are called Upadesha. And also the Pratyas, the Agamas, which are, and the whole Sutra Pata is Upadesha. And what about the Pratyas and all? Everything is Upadesha. So, therefore, I use the word Aupadeshika Dhatus. Aupadeshika Dhatus means the Dhatus which are in the Upadesha, that is Dhatu Pata. So, you can be familiar with the word Aupadeshika. Upadesha becomes Aupadeshika. It's a Tadita form of Upadesha. Tadita is another set of Pratyas. So, Upadesha becomes Aupadeshika. That is, in the, that Aupadeshika is Upadesha only. Dhatus are in the Dhatu Pata, which are called Upadesha. So, Upadeshika Dhatus will have this change. Murdanya Shakara becoming Sakara and Murdanya Nakara becoming Dantya Nakara. Okay. So, Nash is the first column. Nash is Aupadeshika Dhatu, and the second column Nash, that is the dhatu after removing the ith letter. The content of the dhatu. The content is nash, meaning adarshane. Man jnane. Nash adarshane. So, dhatus will be in the saptami. In saptami. The meaning of the dhatu will be in saptami, in the dhatu pata. Bhu sattayam, heda vriddau. Similarly, man jnane. Man dhatu is used in the sense of jnanam, knowing, thinking. Similarly, nash dhatu is used in the sense of adarshane, disappearance. Disappearing from sight, adarshane. It means destruction. So, nash dhatu we can take now. So, nash dhatu, now you can do the lat lakara. Sundarji, please you can do the nash. Yeah.
परस्मैपति नश्यति नश्यतः नश्यन्ति नश्यसि नश्यतः नश्यत नश्यामि नश्यावः नश्यामः
Nashyama. We can take one more dhatu, Atmanipadi dhatu, also from the same gana. This gana is interesting. You will see Atmanipadi dhatu. Let us take okay. Jani. I'm just taking one more dhatu, Atmanipadi dhatu. Jani. This is Aupadeshika dhatu, Jani. And the content of the dhatu is Jan. Pradurbhave. It means it is born. That which is born. Pradurbhave. Uppatti. Pradurbhave. Ramaji, can you do lat lakara?
Yeah. जायते जायते जायेथे जायेते जायन्ते जायसे जायेथे जायस्वे जाये जायावहे जायामहे.
Jan dhatu, jan plus what is Ikana Vikarna?
Yeah, shan.
Shan. Jan plus shan plus the pratyaya is latlakara
Ti. Sorry, te.
te. Jan plus shan plus te. Jan will become ja. Remember, that is a rule. Jan will become ja. Okay. So therefore jayate.
Jayate.
That is very specific for this dhatu. Okay. Jan will become ja. So jayate. Na jayate mriyate va kadachit. Nayam bhutva bhavita va nabhuyaha jayate. Atma na jayate. Not born. Okay. So jayate you can remember. The same way you can do the other lakaras. We are going to see now. Now the next one. You can continue. Let us stand this krudhatu. Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti.
Karoti,
Kurutaha,
kurvanti,
Karoshi, kurutaha, kuruta.
karoti, kurutaha, kuruta,
Karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha.
karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha,
Kurute, kurvate, kurvate.
kurute, kurvate, kurvate,
Kurushe, kurvate, kurvadve.
kurushe, kurvate, kurudve,
Kurve, kurvahe, kurmahe.
kurvahe, kurmahe,
Takara tam an.
takaratam,
Sakara tam ta.
takaratam,
Am va ma.
ma,
Ta atam anta.
atam, anta,
Thaha atam dvam.
taha, atam, vam,
I vahi mahi.
Mahi.
Now Sumati ji can do nash dhatu lung form.
Parasmapati on both.
Nash dhatu is only Parasmapati. You
Parasmapati.
cannot do Atmanipati.
Yeah. Anashyat, Anashyatam, Anashyan, Anashyaha, Anashyatam, Anashyata, Anashyam, Anashyavaha, Anashyamaha.
Anashyava,
Oh, I'm
Anashyava.
sorry, Anashyava, Anashyama.
Krishnan ji, you can do Jan dhatu. You all please remember, Jan will become Ja. Okay, you have to be familiar with the forms. Jan becomes Ja, so Jayate. That form you need to remember. Okay, so need to expose to the forms, different forms. That is what we are learning in Tuman also. Getting exposed to different forms. By usage, you will start remembering it. If you will see the derivation later. If you get into the derivation, a lot of rules will come. Difficult to remember at this stage. So slowly, you will see that. Now you just be exposed to the forms, other forms, and use it. Yes, Krishnan ji, you can do Jan dhatu.
Jan Atmanipade lung.
Mhm.
Ajayata, Ajayetam, Ajayanta, Ajayataha, Ajayetam,
Why ajayataha? Ajayataha only. Ajayataha.
Ajayataha, Ajayetam, Ajayadvam, Ajaye,
Ajaye.
Ajaye, Ajayavahi, Ajayamahi.
No, you are right only. Ajaye only. Ajaye, Ajayavahi, Ajayam. Ja only. Ja is Ja. Ya is not Dirgha. That's what I said.
Okay.
Agam Ajaye. I born. Vayam Ajayavahi. Ajayamahi. Sorry. Okay. Now the next one. Akarot, akurutam, akurvan.
Akarot.
Akarot,
Akurutam.
akurvan,
Akurvan.
Karoho, akurutam, akuruta.
Akaroho. Akurutam.
akurutam,
Akuruta.
akuruta,
Akaravam, akurva, akurma.
Akaravam. Akurva.
akurva,
Kurma.
akurma,
Akuruta, akurvatam, akurvata.
Akuruta.
akuruta,
Akurvatam.
akurvatam,
Akurvata.
akurvata,
Akuruthaha, akurvatham, akurudhvam.
Akuruta. Akurvatam.
akurvatam,
Akurudhvam.
akurudhvam,
Kurvi, akurvahi, akurmahi.
Kurvi.
Kurvi.
Kurvahi.
Kurvahi. Kurmahi.
kurmahi,
Asti staha santi.
Asti.
Asti.
staha,
Santi.
santi,
Asi staha sta.
Asi.
Asi.
staha, sta,
Asmi svaha smaha.
Asmi.
asmi,
Svaha.
svaha, smaha,
Asit astam asan.
Asit. Astam.
astam, asan,
Asihi astam asta.
Asihi. Astam.
astam,
Asta.
asta,
Asam asva asma.
Asam.
asam,
Asma. Asma.
asma,
Tu tam antu.
Tam.
amantu,
Tam ta.
Tamta.
ta,
Ani ava ama.
Ani.
ava,
Ava.
ama,
Tam itam antam.
Tam. Tam.
antam,
Sva itham dvam.
Swa.
itam,
Dvam.
dvam,
Ai avahai amahai.
Ai.
Ai.
Avahai.
Avahai.
amahai,
Now, Kameshwaraji. Nash dhatu. Lot lakara.
नश्यतु नश्यतां नश्यन्तु नश्य नश्यतं नश्यत नश्यानि नश्याव नश्याम.
Ganesh ji. Jan dhatu.
जन धातु लोट लकार. जायताम, जायेताम, जायन्ताम, जायस्व, जायेथाम, जायध्वम, जायै, जायावहै, जायामहै.
What is the meaning jayatam?
To go.
Or jayasva? Or jayai? Any word? Jayatam.
It's
a
like
wish.
you may, it's a wish, you
It's a
may
wish.
read or you should be able to or
It's
something
bhavishya
like
ka
that.
future,
Not Bill.
or it's a wish.
It's a wish.
Yeah, what's the meaning? Translation of the word jayatam. Ganesh ji will tell.
May
You
you
may
go.
But may you be born.
Ganesh ji will tell.
Oh, I'm sorry.
May you be born. May you be born.
May it be. Let it be or may it be. It is Uttama, Prathama Purusha.
Right. So,
So
may
may-
he be.
Yeah.
May he be born.
Hmm.
May they too be born, or may they be born.
Yes. It's a okay. Next one. Let us continue. Karotu, kurutam, kurvantu,
Karotu.
karotu,
Tam.
kurvantu,
kurutam, kuruta,
Kuru,
kuru,
kurutam,
kurutam,
kuruta,
kurta,
karavani, karavava, karavama,
karavani,
karavani,
karavana,
karavama,
kurutam, kurvatam, kurvatam,
Kurutam.
kurutam,
Kurvatam. Kurvatam.
Kurvatam,
not kurvatam, kurva. Oh, kurvatam only. I think typo. Kurutam, kurvatam, Kurvatam. Oh, it's correct only. Yes, sorry. Because of my specs. Kurushva, Kurvatham, Kurudvam,
Kurushva, Kurvatam, Kurudvam,
Karavai, Karavavahai, Karavamahai,
Karavai, Karavavahai, Karavamahai,
Eetam, Iyuhu,
Itam,
Iyuhu,
Eetam, Ita,
Itam,
Ita,
Iya, sorry, Iyam, Iva, Ima,
Iyam,
Iva,
Ima,
Ita, Iyatam, Iran,
Ita, Yatam, Iran,
Ithaha, Iyatam, Idvam, Iya, Ivahi, Imahi,
Imahi.
No, Lataji, you can do. Nashdatu.
Nashet, Nashetam, Nasheyuhu, Nashehe, Nashetam, Nasheta, Nasheyam, Nasheva, Nashema.
Sundarji, Jandatu. Ling.
Chandatu ling. Jayeta, Jayeyatham, Jayeran, Jayetaha, Jayeyatham, Jayetvam, Jayeya, Jayevahi, Jayemahi.
Yes. So, 4 lakaras, lat lakara, lang lakara, lot lakara, ling lakara. This is the order, in the same order we see always. 4 lakaras, and for the dhatus, parasmipadi, atmanipadi, 10 ganas, dhatu belonging to 10 gana. It means specific gana vikarana. This is one thing. The same thing you have to copy paste for karmani also, which we are going to see slowly. Karmani prayoga. So when we see karmani, you will see the duplication of the same thing with some modification. One more copy. You can remember, you can just imagine how many forms will be there. So many forms. Therefore, we need to know these forms like clearly, thoroughly. So that is why we keep chanting this. When these forms are known very clearly, then you will not get confused with karmani forms. Karmani also going to come. So far we are saying only kartari prayoga, active voice. So karmani, we are going to see later. I will introduce that also. So now understand this. Krudhatu, kuryat, kuryatam, kuryuhu,
Kuryatam, Kuryuhu,
kuryaha, kuryatam, kuryata,
Kuryatam, Kuryata,
kuryam, kuryava, kuryama,
Kuryam, Kuryava, Kuryama,
kurvita, kurviyatam, kurviran,
Kurvita, Kurviyatam, Kurviran,
kurvithaha, kurviyatam, kurvidvam,
Kurvitaha, Kurviyatam, Kurvidvam,
kurviya, kurvivahi, kurvimahi,
Kurviya, Kurvivahi, Kurvimahi,
astu stam santu,
Astu Stam Santu,
edhi stam sta,
Yedi Stam Sta,
asani, asava, asama,
Asani,
Asani, Asava, Asama,
syat, syatam, syuhu,
Syat,
Syatam, Yuhu,
syaha, syatam, syata,
Syaha,
Syatam, Syata,
sorry, Syam, Syava, Syama,
Syam,
Syam,
Syava,
Syava,
Rama,
Syama.
Rama.
then Ramaji, you can read this.
Yeah.
Subhashitam.
Durjanah parihartavyah vidyaya bhushito bisan maninalankritas sarpaha kimasau na bhayankaraha.
Yes. Sumatiji, you can split the sandhi, if anything.
So the first one, in the first line, it is parihartavyaha. There the visarga is written because it's avasana. Then durjanaha, pari, there the visarga is followed by pakara. So it has got hatha visarga, or the sound of upatmaniyana. Then vidyaya
Vidyaya.
bhushita.
Vidyaya.
Vidyaya,
Vidyaya, okay. What vibhakti Vidyaya? What shabda?
it's tritiya.
Yes. Pratipadikam is?
It is akaran, so it should be vidya.
Yes. Ramaya, Vidyaya, Rama shabda. Yes, correct. Okay.
Then bhushito, in that bhushito abhisan, it is actually it is bhushitaha abhisan. So it is visarga preceded by akara, followed by akara. It becomes ukara, and guna happens and becomes purva rupa.
Yes. Bhushitaha api san.
Bhushitaha abhisan.
San also separate word. Okay. It is
Oh, I sorry, I
api
made
san.
it.
It's okay. Bhushitaha api and san. Okay. Then any other
Then next-
sandhi?
Yes, Sharanji?
Any other sandhi?
Is it vidya yaha bhushita?
Not, there is no Vidyayaha. It is only
Okay.
Vidyaya only.
Bhushito.
When it is Tritiya Bhakti, Visarga will come.
Yeah, that is correct.
Shashti Bhakti, okay. Yeah, Vidyaya. So, Tritiya Bhakti. Then any other sandhi? The next line.
Manina, in there in this Manina, Lankritaha, Sarpaha.
So,
There Visarga is retained because it's Avasana in Sarpaha. Then Maninala, Nalankritaha, Sarpaha. In that Visarga is followed by Karlata, Sakara, which is Sha. So Visarga can be optionally, Visarga can be retained also.
yes.
Then
Manina Lankritaha.
there it is. Yeah, Manina. It can be Manina plus Alankritaha.
Good,
So
yeah.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Yes. Only that's all. Other,
Then
that's
the
not the
last,
sandhi.
no
Last
others.
one is
Yeah.
Kim Asav, just Melanam only.
Melanam, yeah.
Okay.
And Bhayangaraha, Visarga is retained because it's Avasana.
Yes. Krishnanji, do you understand the meaning? You got the meaning?
The one who is endowed with knowledge,
Mhm.
doesn't
So Sarpaha and all you see, therefore you can make some connection, right? So Sarpaha means
snake, not
serpent.
Bhayankara.
Yes.
So a snake which is
Okay.
adorned with some.
Okay, let me explain this. Parihartavyaha. That Tavya Pratyaya is used, which we are going to see. Ardhatuka Pratyaya, we are going to see later. Now just know the meaning. Parihartavyaha means should be shunned, should be given up. Who should be given up? Durjanaha Parihartavyaha. So Durjanaha Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Parihartavya also Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Declinable. Okay. The pratyas we will see later. Now just know the meaning. Durjanaha Parihartavyaha. Durjanaha, bad people, should be given up. Translation is should be given up. Parihartavyaha. Why? Vidyaya bhushitaha api. Even though bhushitaha adorned with knowledge. Vidyaya bhushitaha api son. Being adorned with the knowledge, Durjana should be given up. Their association must be given up. Like what? An example is given. Sarpaha. Sarpaha alankritaha. Sarpa is alankritaha, ornamented with, adorned with what? Mani. Manina, Tritiya Bhakti. Mani Shabda. Manina is that mani gem. There is a belief that Sarpa has got a gem. You know, Nagamani we say. It's very expensive, but I don't know whether it is true or not. So, the Sarpa has got Nagamani. Even though Sarpa is adorned with mani, it is kim. So na bhayankaraha. Is it not dangerous? Similarly, Durjana, even though they are ornamented with knowledge, like Sarpa, they are dangerous. Therefore, their association should be shunned. Parihartavyaha. This is the meaning. Is it difficult to make out the meaning from the Subhashitam? I think some words you can just guess the general meaning of the Subhashitam, not very specific. Can you all guess with the whatever knowledge you have now?
Yes,
So
sir.
some
Little bit, yeah.
little
Once
bit.
we know the meaning of
We need to
Paritavyaha,
know some more pratyaya, some more. It will take some more class, another 50, 60 classes it will take. After that, you will be able to split and do everything. It takes some time. Okay, Durjanaha Pratama Vibhakti Ekvacham. Durjanaha, Durjanau, Durjanaha. Parihartavyaha, that is also Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Vidyaya, Vidya Shabda, Tritiya Vibhakti. So it is Vidyaya Hetu. Okay. Vidyaya Bhushitaha api. Bhushitaha also Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Bhushita Shabda. Bhushitaha, Bhushitau, Bhushitaha. It qualifies Durjana. Vidyaya Bhushitaha Durjanaha. Parihartavyaha. Vidyaya Bhushitaha api san Durjanaha Parihartavya. That is the sentence. Api Avyaya we know. Sun translation of the word sun is being. We are going to see this also. This is Shatranta. Another Krit Pratyaya. Sun, being. This is first line. Now second line. Manina, Tritiya Vibhakti, Mani Shabda. Manina, Alankritaha, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam qualifies Sarpaha, which is Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam, like Rama Shabda. Kim we know, it is Avyaya. Asau. Asau refers to, what is Asau?
Others Shabda.
Others Shabda. We have seen others. Only Pratama Vibhakti alone, it is enough. I said long back. If I remember, Asau, Amu, Ami. So Asau, others Shabda. It is Sarvanama Shabda. Sakaranta. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana is Asau. That. Na Avyaya. Bhayankaraha also Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. Okay. So first Padacheda and then marking the Vibhakti. Then understanding the meaning and placing the words properly to get the Anvaya.
Asur is that which is far away, is it not?
Yes, you're right, far away.
But here,
It's okay. Asam can be referred to in general also. That Asam.
okay.
So now we'll continue with Tuman Pratyaya. That's what we are seeing. So Tuman, the Pratyaya is Tuman. Tum is Ardhatuka Pratyaya. It will take Itagama, all those things we know. So we are directly getting into the lesson. Just this lesson is meant for your information. This lesson is meant for you to be familiar with the forms. Some rules will come. If required, I will tell the rules. Otherwise, the forms are enough now. The rules, the derivation part, if it is simpler, I will say. If it is requires some more information, that we will see slowly. Okay. So now Gam Dhatu becomes Gantum. We have seen this. And Pat becomes Patitum. Pach becomes Paktum, not Pachitum. Okay. Pach becomes Paktum. What is the rule here? Rule we saw in the last class. Remember, Pach plus Tum.
The Kutva Vidhi.
Data Chakara followed by Jal.
Kutva Vidhi, good.
Kutva Vidhi.
Chakara at the end of the Padam or followed by Jal will become Chakara. One more rule also we saw, exception to that.
Yeah, yes, Shan.
What is that rule?
Specific dot.
List of dhatus.
Specific
done
dhatus, yes.
or ending
Specific
with
dhatus.
Chakara, Shakara.
Yes, that becomes Murdani Shakara. We saw that also. That file I will send you. I think I have sent that one, miscellaneous rules. I sent you.
No, Sharanji.
No, Sharanji.
That file has got other rules also. Don't bother about the other rules. I will send you. Now, after the class, I will send the miscellaneous rules. A lot of rules will be there. Maybe some 10, 15 rules. Those rules will be inserted into the Sandhi, the chart. The summary of Sandhi rules, the last version is 6. So now it will be added into that, corresponding to the sutra order. So you will find this also will be there. So we'll keep adding the rules to the Sandhi. Not Sandhi, we will not call it a Sandhi chart, just a Vidhi. Okay. Then the next one, Han becomes Antum. Pa becomes Patum. I think the last class, I think Sumati ji was reading, last one, Prashtum. Remember? Prashtum.
Yes, Shan.
I think that you were the last person who read that.
Yeah.
So I'm skipping all this. Already we have seen this. So we go to Prashtum. Yes, this is the one, number 28. Prach becomes Prashtum. In this context only, I said that second rule.
Exception to Kutva.
Yes, exception. What is that rule? Okay, I'll show that. I'll show that rule. Just a minute. To open that file. Let us, the next person can read. Who is the next person? Kameshwari. Please, can read the number 28 again.
Okay. Prach plus Tumun, Prashtum. Both of us went to school to ask questions. Avam Prashnam Prashtum Vidyalayam Agachava.
Yes. Agachava.
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 Agachava. Okay, sorry.
Agachava.
Yeah, sorry. A student is preparing to ask a question. Chatraha Prashnam Prashtum Vudyuktaha.
Yes.
Up to this, we finished last class.
Okay. So now, that rule I say, I show here, you can see that. The dhatus, Vrascha, Brasja, Sruja, Mraja, Gaja, Raja, these specific dhatus. And the dhatus beginning with Chakara or Shakara. Dhatus, not beginning, ending with, sorry. Dhatus ending with Chakara or Shakara. At the end of the Padam or followed by Jal will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara. This is an exception to the previous rule. It's a partial exception. It is not it's a partial, because previous rule covered only Chavarga letters. Chavarga letter become Kavarga letter. So Chavarga letter, when we say Jakara, Chavarga. So all these dhatus are ending with Jakara. And this is Chakara. And Chakara also included. All these are Chavarga letters. But Shakara is not Chavarga. Therefore, I said it's a partial exception. It's a partial exception. Okay. One more thing. Here, Braja is there. Dhatu is Braj. That A is ith letter. Raj is Raj. Raja is Raj. Dhatu. Yeja. Yej. Okay. So when I say Jakaradi Dhatu, these are Aupadeshika Dhatus with the ith letter. So you have to remove the ith letters. In fact, the ith letter for this is Vraschu. It is Vraschu. Ith letter is U. So you remove ith letter, you get Vrasch. So this is the rule we saw. So in this context only, we saw that Prach plus Tum. What will happen? You remember the last class we saw this prach plus tum. What will happen?
Tukagama is
Chaka.
done.
Chakara dhatu.
Cha-
The chakara
Tukagama.
ending dhatu. Chakara ending chakara will become mudane shakara.
Shakara.
And what will happen to the previous chakara?
That is left. Just
Dukagama Sandhi happened.
Yes. Because of Tukagama only that chakara came. But now chakara itself has gone. What will happen to chakara? That also will disappear. Right?
Yes.
This is what I just told you this.
Yes,
yeah,
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Kapaye nimitikapayam. Remember? That
yeah. You
logic,
said
that logic I said. So
Mm.
okay. If I said, then I don't have to cover it again. So therefore, the form will be prash. So therefore, the form will be prash. So prach plus tum. That is tumun. What will happen? The chakara will be replaced by murdanya shakara.
Chakara.
And this, you see the one more chakara here, the first chakara, that will
Yes.
go away because that has come because of chakara only. The chakara itself has gone, replaced by shakara. What will happen to that? That also will go. When the cause is removed, the product also is gone. Right? So therefore, prashtum. And how chakara came here?
Because of the
Tukagama.
that Shitva Sandhi is happened after Dukagama Sandhi.
Why Tukagama? First that you have to say. Why Tukagama? We have seen pra plus cha. What will happen?
Chakara is preceded by
Praswach, when it is followed by chakara,
Good. Yes.
then tukagama will come.
Tukagama.
So
Tukagama
takara will
comes.
come.
What is Tukagama?
That is takara is the
Takara will
content.
replace the content.
Takara is the content of tuk. Okay, I have added takara. Why you are adding it here? Why not here?
Because it is a
It's a
So
chitta.
Kitagama.
Chitta.
The end of the stand.
hit,
Kitagama should be added to the end of the
End of
stani.
stand.
end of a stani.
So stani is pra. Stani is pra, not cha. Okay, chakara is the nimitta, which brings in tukagama. So prat plus cha. So now what will happen? Prat plus cha.
That
Takara will
becomes
be
chakara
Chakara.
because of chutva vidhi.
Ah, it becomes chitta.
Yes, prach. That's how you get prach. That is a dhatu. So the cause for chakara to come is tukagama, which is because of chakara. Now this chakara itself, suppose if it goes away, replaced by mudani shakara, will takara be there?
No, Sharanji. It will
That
have
goes away. Right, it's called nimitta paye, nimittika paya. Therefore you get prash. Please note this. Okay. So prash plus tum. Tum. What will happen?
Murdhanya Shakara followed by Takara will
So
that will become
shtutva sandhi.
Chitta
So
sandhi.
Shrutta sandhi happens. Therefore you get prash tum. Okay. Okay.
but I have a doubt in the rule. Why we are telling dhatus ending with chakara or shakara at the end of the padam or when followed by jal.
Jal.
So it's okay. It should be end of the padam should be shakara or chakara
Yes.
or
Padanta
it
jal.
follow. No,
Sorry,
it
or
is
followed by
and
jal.
followed.
Yes.
So
Not
one
and.
of them.
Not and.
So
Or
one of them is there.
of
We
them.
can apply. Okay.
It's not and. It is one. Either at
So
the
followed
end
by
of the
jal
padam.
means any dhatu followed by jal.
Any dhatu means these dhatus. These dhatus only. Not any dhatu. We are
Okay.
giving specific dhatus. That brascha, brasja, sraja, mraja. And the dhatu ending with chakara, shakara. Only those dhatus. Not any dhatus. These dhatus when followed by jal will be replaced by mudani shakara.
No, that are I don't understand. This or that, which are these dhatus
Two
are
conditions are there. Okay. You go to dining hall, either if Rama comes or Krishna comes. What's the problem? If Rama comes, you go along with him to dining hall. Or if Krishna comes, you go along with the dining hall. Not that both should be there. Somebody should accompany you to go to the dining hall. The same logic.
Okay, here these dhatus, how they will end with chakara or shakara?
The prach dhatu is example. Dhatu ending with chakara.
Okay. I got it. You have to apply the sandhi rules, and once it becomes chakara or shakara, then
No, dhatu is prach. I'm just explaining how prach also came. Okay, why the chakara came? Because of this rule, tukagama. Dhatu is prach. Yes, you understand like that, no problem. Okay, continuing. Now, Ganesh, you please read the next one. Pra plus a plus tum. Here, an upasarga is added. Dhatu is ab. Please read.
Yeah. Pra plus a plus tumun, praptum. So here, no
Dhatu is-
Ganavikarana is not taking place.
Yeah, Ganavikram, will it come?
There's no ik there.
Sharanji, sorry Sharanji, I have a question here. The example is Brishcha, Brishja, Sruja.
Mhm.
Everything is jak. So the chakara means the cha varga or
Where is Chavarga?
that is the example that Vidhi Sharanji, we are seeing this rule, right? Everything ending with the jakara, right? But here the rule is ending with the chakara or shakara. So either it's a chakara or cha varga.
No. Read the rule. Please read the rule. What it, you
The
see the screen?
dhatus breshchu, bresja, srija, mrija, yaja, raja, bhraja, and the dhatus ending with chakara or shakara at the end of the padam, or when followed by jal, will be replaced by murdhanya shakara.
What is the word in this? These dhatus and
These
also the dhatus.
Okay. These dhatus and also the dhatus ending with the chakara or shakara. But the same thing, this is the exception rule of Kritva Vidhi. Oh,
First one.
okay.
Exception to
Yeah.
Kritva. Right?
But how to identify this is exception as the Kritva Vidhi? That's how because this is also ending with the chakara or shakara. And
Only
this
that is why specific dhatus are mentioned in that rule. All the dhatus are there? No. Only these 7 dhatus. Only these 7 dhatus. Why? Because these are ending with chavarga letter.
yeah,
Therefore,
that's
this
what I'm asking.
only these
are-
dhatus. These dhatus you need to remember.
Okay.
There's no other way. These dhatus you need to remember. If this dhatus comes, you cannot apply Kutta Vidhi. 7 dhatus you can remember. Okay. Sapta dhatu. We have got Sapta dhatu in our body also. You can remember Sapta dhatus. Okay.
No, Sharanji, that is I'm fine. This is the cha varga. When it's the cha varga, the Kritva Vidhi is an exception.
For these dhatu, it is an exception. These dhatus, for these dhatus, it is except you cannot apply Kutta Vidhi. That is why specifically mention these dhatus.
that I got that point.
Hmm.
But I have a confusion over here. The line dhatus ending with a chakara or shakara.
Hmm.
Kritva Vidhi is the dhatu ending with the chakara at the end of the padam or following by jal.
Hmm.
So the Kritva Vidhi is like that. There is no shakara. It's only cha varga. Oh.
Okay.
So that is the only thing I got confused here.
No, what is the
Here,
confusion? Tell me the confusion. What is the confusion?
எனக்கு வந்து இந்த confusion either that Kritva Vidhi is cha varga. So
Okay.
any cha varga means any cha 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 ja ja.
Uh-huh.
So here the chakara.
Exception.
So how,
Exception. If
so
it is
only chakara here is come.
yes, exactly. That's what it is.
Okay.
Chavarga has got 5 letters. Cha,
Yeah.
cha, ja, ja, nya.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
nya is there, then apply Kutta Vidhi.
Okay.
If it
Now-
is Jakara, Mahaprana, soft consonant, apply that Vidhi. If it is Jakara, ending with Jakara, or accepting these dhatus, apply Kutta Vidhi. If it
But
is
here-
Chakara, then apply this Vidhi, don't apply Kutta Vidhi. If it is Chakara, first letter, accepting Vrashcha dhatu, for other dhatus, apply Kutta Vidhi. Right?
Okay. Okay, Sharanji, I got it.
Yes. Specifically, I'm not saying Chakara, just saying they have to compare this and what you can understand
Okay.
Okay. So chakara is there, you cannot apply kutta vidhi. Yes, that's clearly mentioned. Yes. Continue, Ganeshji.
So pra plus ap plus tumun, it's given as praptum.
Ap is
I'm trying to
the
decline.
dhatu. Okay.
Ap is the dhatu. I think it's
And pra is a
state.
upasarga.
I think
For your
it is-
information, ap is fifth gana dhatu. We have not seen the fifth gana. Prapnoti, apnoti, that is dhatu.
Right.
Ap. Okay.
And I don't know whether it's a set dhatu.
So itagama has not come. Therefore,
Itagama not come, so it's not it's
not a
anit,
set.
anit, and there is no ganavikarana
It
taking.
could be a set also, but because of some other reason, itagama may not come also. That vyavastha is a bit complicated. That we will we'll see later. But now know the forms. Pra plus a plus tum. No itagama. The form is praptum.
Praptum,
Praptum means the meaning is
obtain.
yes. Please continue.
She runs fast to get victory. Sa jayam praptum vegena dhavati.
Okay. Kriyapadam is
Dhavati.
ka davati,
Sa dhavati.
katam davati.
Jayam praptum
No. Katam
vegena
davati.
dhavati.
Vegena. Vegena is adverbial, avyaya. Even though it is Tritiya Bhakti is avyaya. The form only in Tritiya Bhakti. Okay. Avyayam only. You cannot decline that. Then, sa vegena davati.
Kimartam
Okay. Kimartam davati.
jayam praptum dhavati.
Praptam davati. Okay. Kimartam jayam praptam.
Jayam
Yes.
praptum vegena dhavati.
So, jayam is,
Jayam, victory.
what vibhakti is that?
Dvitiya vibhakti.
Dvitiya vibhakti for the kriya, dav or prap? Up.
For praptum. For prap.
Yes, praptum has got the kriya. Dhatu is there. Dhatu is action. Kriya artha is there. Kriya. For that only
This karma.
karma is jayam.
Jayam.
For dhavati there is no karma here.
The karma is for praptum.
Karma is for only praptum. Can dhavati take karma?
Dhavati, no, I think it is akarmaka.
It is akarmaka dhatu.
Not.
So, intransitive verb. It cannot take karma also. Okay. The next one. Lataji, you can read.
Drush plus tumun, drustum.
Drashtum.
Drustum.
Not drishtum.
Drush plus tumun, drustum.
Not drashtum. It is drish only. Drish plus tum will become drashtum. Dra
Drashtum.
become dra. There is a rule which I am not covering it now. We will see that later. Please note this. Drish will become dra.
Okay.
It is
Drush
drashtum.
plus tumun. Drush plus tumun, drustum.
Yes.
All want to see the picture. Sarve chitram drashtum ichanti.
Continue. In simple sentence. Yeah.
We go to see the forest. Vyam aranyam drashtum
Aranyam.
gacchamaha. Oh, vyam aranyam drashtum gacchamaha.
Aranyam.
Drush.
So it's okay. So ichanti, first line, sarve ichanti. Sarve is
Sarve is the
what vibhakti is sarve? What vibhakti, what vachanam?
sarvaha sarve.
What, anybody? What vibhakti, what vachanam?
1-3.
1/3.
1-3. Sarvaha, sarvo, sarve, pullinga. Please remember, sarve is pratama vibhakti, bhagavachanam. It is pullinga. Okay. Sarve ichanti. Sarvanama shabda, need to know sarve. Kim ichanti? Chitram drashtum. Drashtum
Chitram
ichanti.
drashtum ichanti.
Drashtum ichanti. Kim drashtum? Chitram drashtum.
Chitram drashtum.
Chitram is a karma for the darshana.
Drashtum.
The darshana kriya. Not darshana kriya. For the kriya of seeing. Similarly, aranyam is the karma for gachama. So two kriyas are there. One is drish, other one is gam. So for drish, the karma is aranyam. Vayam gachamaha. Vayam gachamaha. Vayam aranyam gachamaha. Aranyam is the karma for Drish. Okay. We go to see the forest. Or we can, here we can take Aranyam also can be the karma for Gachamaha. That also possible. Vayam Aranyam Gachamaha. Drashtum, to see. That depends on the sentence. Okay. Aranyam can be the karma for Drashtum. Aranyam can be the karma for Gam Dhatu also. Because
But
Gam
once
Dhatu,
we have the drashtum, that aranyam is becoming the karma for drash.
yes,
Dhatu.
that is why I said Tum will take karma to see the forest. We go to the forest to see. So suppose if we don't want the karma for Tum, then Aranyam can be the karma for Gam. That is choice. That is depends on the context only. Okay. Now the next one, please. Next person, Sundarji. Krish.
Krush. Krush plus tumun. Krushtum.
That's a mistake. It is Karashtum. Strutva happens. Here it is correct. There it is mistake. Yes.
Krushtum.
Yeah. What happens here? You can tell the possible rules will be applied here.
Ru become ar.
Yes. When does it become? What is it the formation is? Ru becomes ar is?
Yeah.
What is that? Tum is sarvadhatukam or ardhatukam?
Tum is
It's sarvadhatuka or ardhadhatuka? No doubt it should be there. It is ardhadhatukam only.
Ardhadhatukam.
Right? When a anga is followed by ardhadhatuka, can it do anga karya or not? Provided if it is not a kit. This is not a kit, pratyaya.
yeah.
So therefore it can do anga karya.
Correct.
So what is the last letter? Last letter is not ik. And penultimate is
Ru.
short ik. Rasva ik upada. Ru becomes ar. Guna. Guna happens. Nothing else. You understand this, Sundarji?
Yes.
So Angakarya happens because of the following Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya, Tum Pratyaya. So Kru becomes Kar. Karsh. Karsh plus Tum. After that, Shtutva Vidhi
Sutva
applies.
Sandhi happens.
Shtutva Sandhi. We get Karshtum. Okay. Continue.
Farmers went to plow. Krushi Vilaha Kashtum Agacham. Agacham.
Agacham. What is Agacham?
Agacham is
It's a mistake, Agacham. It's okay. Tell me Agacham. What is Agacham?
Agachan.
Agachan. So it is must be Agachan, not Agacham.
Agachan. That is Pratama Purusha Bahuvachanam.
Yes. If it is Agacham,
Lakara.
if it is Agacham, what will be the Karta? Who will be the Karta?
Agacham, then it has to be Uttama Purusha.
Ekavachan.
Ekavachan.
Yes. So Krishivaraha Karishtum Agachan. Please know the simple rule here. Ardhataka Pratyaya causes Angakarya, Guna happens, and then Shtutva Vidhi. Okay. We all know this. Simple.
Yeah.
Yes. Continue. Next one. Yeah.
Puj plus Itumun.
So Itumun, Itagama comes. That's why E is there. Puj plus Itumun. Puj plus Tumun. First you add Tumun. Then the Itagama comes. So Puj plus Itumun. After Itagama comes, then only, if possible, we can do the Angakarya. So remember this, Itagama, if the Pratyaya can take Agama, it must be done first. It is Antaranga. It is inner Karya. First we have to apply the Agama, if it can take Agama. Then only you can do the Angakarya, which is Bhagiranga. So Antaha Bhagihi. So what is to be done inside? That is within the closed parenthesis, first you have to do, and then after that, the other karyas outside the parenthesis. Okay. So Ittagama is Antaranga. So to be applied first, and it becomes an integral part of the pratyaya. So it is not tumun anymore, it is itum. Okay, it is itum. Right?
Yeah.
Now, after that, what happens? Puj plus itum.
Puj plus
Itum will become puja itum.
yeah.
How it becomes puja itum?
How?
Okay.
I'm not clear.
Yeah. Okay. Puja is the, it is the 10th gana dhatu. Okay.
Okay.
So puji, puja itum. It is 10th gana dhatu. So therefore becomes puja itum. When you see yakara, you can guess it could be
Okay.
the 10th gana. So puj dhatu. What will you add to the pratyaya, to the dhatu?
Yan?
Yan? No.
No.
Puj is 10th gana dhatu.
10th kana.
Anybody?
Nich has to be.
Which has to come.
Nich. Okay. When you add nich, what will you get?
E is the concept.
Puji.
Puji. The content of nich is E. So you get puji. So puji is the dhatu now. To this puji dhatu only, you need to add tum. So what will happen? 10th gana, that's why I'm not given the derivation and all. I thought we can easily see this, understand. So puji will become Sundarji.
Puji should become Puje. No?
Puje, yes, Puje. Puje plus, and before doing that, Puje, what we have to do? We must apply the Ittagama. So it becomes Itum first. So Puji plus Itum. Now G will become J. Puje. A plus E. What's on the
Becomes I.
I? Therefore, Puji. That is the form you are having, right? Got it now?
Puje.
Got it now?
Yes.
Sundarji.
Yeah.
So Puj plus Itum becomes Itum. Okay. Please note this. I'm not giving the derivation here. Puj plus Itum, Puja Itum. Puj plus Nich becomes Puji, and Puji plus Tum, Ittagama, second Ittagama you have to add. That is the next step. Puji plus Itum. Then Puji ending with E. Rasva Ik. So Angakarya happens, becomes Puje. Puje plus Itum. Then Puja A plus E becomes Ayadi Sandhi, Puja Gitam. Okay. Understand all of you? Any difficulty in this?
No, sir.
Rajay.
We got it.
Continue, Sundarji. You can read the sentence.
Worshippers will come to pray tomorrow.
Okay. So will come to pray. Why will come? Okay. Anyway, use future tense. Okay.
Bhaktaha Pujayitum Swaha Agamisyanti.
Agamisyanti. This future tense we have to see. It is Adadatuka Lakara. Agamisyanti. Ke Agamisyanti Bhaktaha. Swaha. Tomorrow. For what? Kivartam. Pujayitum. Okay. Next person. You can read Ramaji.
Yeah. Shru plus tumun, shrotum.
What happens here? Shru.
Your
Can you all hear my voice? Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
So it has become shro.
Yes. Show plus tum. That's all. Show tum. To
Just
listen. Yes.
I wish to listen to the music. Aham sangeetam shrotum ichchami.
Shrotavidya. Okay, next one. Sumati ji.
I wish you, Vach plus Tumun is Vatsu.
Vach plus tum is Vaktum.
Vaktum.
Yeah. Okay. So what happens here?
It is just like Pach plus.
Yes.
So no it is there, but the Kut plus Vidhi happens.
Kuttavidi. So
So it
Vaktum.
becomes, yeah.
Yes. Vaktum means to tell. Please continue.
Father wishes to tell a story. Pita katham vaktum ichchati.
Katam Vaktum
Vaktum
Ichchati.
ichchati.
Okay. Next person, Krishnan ji.
G plus tuman jeevitum.
It is not G. G. Okay. It's a typo.
G.
G.
Oh, it
G plus tum. Itagama comes. Therefore, Jeevitum.
melanam. Okay.
Yeah.
Who does not wish to live long? Kaha dirgha kalam jeevitum na ichchati.
Yes. Kaha dirghakalam jeevitum na ichchati is a question. So jeevitum. Kaha na ichchati. Dirghakalam is the karma for jeevitum. Okay, next person, Kameshwari ji.
Ut plus ta plus tumun, uttamun,
Uttamun. Uttatum.
uttatum. Try to get up early. Shrigram uttatum prayatnam kuru.
Yes. So here, ut plus ta, another rule. We will see that later. Form is uttatum, to get up.
Okay.
Sta with upasarga ut. Uttatum. The form is uttatum. Just know the form. Shigram uttatum prayatnam kuru. Next person, Lataji.
That's me, Shan. Dhra.
Oh, okay. I missed you or?
You missed me.
Oh, yes, please do. Yes.
Dhra plus tumun, dhartum.
Hmm.
So here, Ganavikarana takes place. It is ik. And therefore,
That's not Ganavikarna.
no.
Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya. How can Ganavikarna will come? Angakarya, I have to say.
Oh, sorry.
Guna happens.
Sorry.
Guna, Angakarya.
Angakarya happens, Guna happens. So R becomes Ar, and therefore it
Yes.
becomes Dhartum.
Yes.
So she wishes to wear a new sari.
Hmm.
Sa Nutam Shatikam. Nutanam Shatikam Dhartum Ichchati.
Dhartum Ichchati. Yes.
Kriyapadam is Ichchati.
Sa Ichchati.
Ka Ichchati, Sa Ichchati.
So Shatikam is a karma for Dhartum. Sa Shatikam Ichchati. She likes a sari. No, she likes to wear the sari. So Shatika is the karma for Dhridhatu. Dhartum. Shatikam Dhartum. And Nutanam is qualifies Shatika. New sari. Nutanam. That is also 2-1. Shatika also 2-1. So we can expand the sentence like this, adding more and more adjective. Okay, up to this, done. Other form, this 40 onwards, you will see that is a different this usage of tumun. I'll explain this later. Now we can continue now. This Krishnaji, simple examples are given. You can read and you can, whatever the forms we have seen, the same forms will come here. You can read.
ध्यान से
Sorry.
ये ध्यान से oh it's Hindi.
Dhyanena patantu. Okay. Fine.
वत्सः क्षीरं पातुम् इच्छति.
After Ganesh ji. After Ganesh ji.
It's me.
Yeah,
It's me, Lata.
Yes, Lata ji, please read.
Vatsaha kshiram patum ichchati.
What does it mean? You can translate.
The calf would like, calf wants to drink the milk.
So dhatu is, what is the tumanta? The tum is tumanta, the tumantam. The dhatu of that is
Pa is the
pa dhatu. Pa means to drink. But the cow, it doesn't seem to look like a calf. It seems like a dog. Anyway. Okay, continue.
Choraha dhavitum ichchati. Here, choraha ichchati dhavitum. He wants to run. Dhavitum.
Dhatu is
Dhav.
Dhav dhatu. So
Dhav
dhav becomes dhavitum. Pa becomes patum. Next one. Sundarji.
Gopalakaha duktam ati gacchati.
Your voice is feeble.
Oh. Some problem with
From the
sound.
beginning, it's feeble only.
So maybe the problem with the connection from my side.
Okay, please read.
Gopalakaha duktam dhatum gacchati.
Meaning is,
That is, the milkman goes to give milk.
yes. Dhatum. What is dhatu?
Dhatum. Dha.
Da dhatu. Da dhatu.
Da.
Da becomes dhatum. Da plus tum becomes dhatum. So that karma is dugdam. Milk is the karma. Gopalaka gacchati. Dhatum gacchati. Kim dhatum gacchati. Dugdam dhatum gacchati. Continue.
Chhatraha patitum vidyalayam gacchati. Patitum. Aham nartitum.
No, please translate that sentence. Chatraha.
Chhatraha patitum vidyalayam gacchati. Student goes to school to study.
So, which is the karma for patitum?
Patitum. Patam patitum.
Oh, you are supplying. Yes. In the sentence, karma is not there.
Yeah.
Vidyalaya is the karma for gamana kriya,
Vidyalayam
not for the
gacchati.
patana kriya.
Yeah.
Okay, next person. Ramaji.
Aham nartitum shaknomi. Nrit dhatu.
So, nrit dhatu, what happens? Nrit plus tum.
It has become first nar guna angakarya. Nar. Then nar. Then itum. It is sate.
First itum and
Yeah.
then angakarya.
Angakarya. Yeah, correct. Aham etani khaditum shaknomi. Khad dhatu. Here also first there is it pratyaya comes. Then
It pratyaya, it is agama.
Itagama, sorry. Itagama, then itum, then kaditum.
Yes. Have you seen this before or we are seeing for the first time?
This book, Sharanji?
This
First
exercise.
time.
First time.
Okay.
First time.
Yes, then it's okay. Good. The next person, Sumati ji. Sumati ji, you can
Yes, sir.
Lekanam ichchati, but you have to say Lekanam, you have to convert to Lekitum.
Okay.
Lekanam also is a Krit Pratyanta. We will see that later. Okay, but now you have to convert this into Tum Pratyanta. Lekanam will become
Lekitum.
Yes.
Saha lekanam ichati. Saha lekitum ichati.
What is dhatu?
Lik is the.
Dhatu. So what happens with the dhatu? Adding tumum pratyaya to it.
Yeah, when I come angakarya, guna angakarya happens.
Lekitum.
Because, when the vipada is short.
Some noise is there, Sumati ji. Somebody is beating something.
Yeah. Because I'm sorry, Sharj. 1 minute, I'll just.
Okay, next person can read. Krishnan ji.
Saha katanam ichchati.
Hmm.
Saha katitum ichchati. Dhatu is kata.
Again, what did you say? Katitum.
Saha katanam ichati. Saha, I said katitum.
Katitum. No.
Oh, kat is 10th gana, right, Ji?
Huh?
Is it 10th gana?
Yeah, 10th gana.
So katayitum then.
Katayitum. Saha
Katayitum ichati.
Ichati. Okay, continue.
Saha gamanam ichati. Dhatu is gach. Saha gantum ichati.
Please continue.
Saha panam ichati. Dhatu is pa. Saha patum ichati.
Patu. So padatu. Okay, yeah.
Padatu. Saha kadanam ichati. Dhatu is ka. Saha kaditum ichati.
Okay, next person. Rameshwarji.
सः दानम् इच्छति सः दातुम् इच्छति
Good, yeah.
सः हसनम् इच्छति सः
Hasitum.
Okay.
We saw this, I think, as Tatu.
Yeah, we saw. हसितुम् इच्छति सः चलनम् इच्छति सः चलितुम् इच्छति सः क्रीडनम् इच्छति सः क्रीडितुम् इच्छति सः धावनम् इच्छति सः दावितुम्. Will it come davitum or?
Yes, davitum.
Davitum.
Say it, davatum, davitum. Which one sounds good? You can take that one.
Davatum is better. I feel better, but everything is changing. Davitum ichati.
Yes.
Saha karanam ichati. Is it kartum or?
Yes, kartum.
Saha kartum ichati. Saha darshanam ichati. Saha darshitum ichati.
Drashtum.
Yeah, just now we saw. Saha drashtum ichati. Saha archanam ichati. Saha architum ichati.
So, architum. That is part the dhatu, add tum pratyaya. That's the exercise. Next person, Ganesh. Yes, so given the dhatu here. Now you can form tum, adding tum. Yes.
So, vayam nartitum ichchamaha. So, the next one, saha khaditum ichchati. Saha khaditum ichchati.
Continue, up to 5 we can do.
Te griham gantum icchanti. Yoyam kim kartum ichchata.
You understand the meaning of all these sentences? Yoyam kim kartum ichchata. Meaning is?
What do you want to do?
What do you all
want to do?
Yes. Continue.
Rama prangane kridam kriditum ichchati.
Good. Next person, Lataji. You can do under 5.
Deveshaha chalachitram darshayitum ichchati.
Darshayitum is not
drashtum. Drashtutva happens. Drashtum ichchati.
Here, drish dhatu. What happens to drish dhatu?
This becomes angakarya happens. It becomes darsh.
No angakarya here. Something else happens. If angakarya happens, it becomes dar. The form is drashtum, not darshtum. Angakarya doesn't happen here. Dr will not become dar. That's why I said it's a different rule. I didn't say that rule. But shakara you can say. Shakara becomes
Murdhanya shakara.
That rule we
and
know.
Then that takara becomes of that, then becomes
Yes.
the drashtum.
Here, dra becomes dra. That is a different
Dra.
rule. Just
Okay.
know that.
Okay.
Dra becomes dra, that much. Shakara becoming shakara, yes, already we have seen that rule. Exception to Puttu Sandhi. That happens. Shakara replaced by Mudani Shakara. Therefore, you get the form drashtum. Okay. Continue.
Saha asane upavishtum vichati. Same rule here.
No. What will happen? No. Angakarya
Upavish
happens.
is there, no?
Angakarya
So
happens.
Upavishtum, upaveshtum vichati.
Yes, upaveshtum. Good. V becomes ve because rasva ik upada becomes ve, and shakaranta dhatu followed by jal tum. So shakara becomes murdanya shakara. So upaveshtum, to sit. Asane upaveshtum. He likes to sit on the chair. Okay.
Saha shlokam shrawayitum ichati.
Yes.
Saha
What does it
geetam
mean?
shrawayitum is to listen. He wants to listen to the shloka.
No. Saha shlokam shravayitum. What does it mean, shravayitum? Anybody?
Causative form shravayati.
Yes, causative form. Shru causative form is shravayita. So what is the meaning?
Make him to
Here.
hear.
He wants to somebody to hear. Okay, causing to listen.
Okay.
It means Saga Shlokam Ikchati. He says maybe he may be chanting shloka and wants somebody to listen. He causes to listen to the shloka.
Okay.
Saga Shlokam Shravayitam Ikchati. Not he listens. He causes to the listening of the shloka.
Okay. Saha geetam we did something with the
Gatum.
Gatum ichati. Saha geetam gatum ichati. Saha vastrani prakshalayitum ichati. Again, here it is causative also.
Not causative. Kshal dhatu is 10th gana only. Therefore,
okay.
Swarte niche. You know,
yes.
This niche, two types of niche we saw.
Yes. This is the original meaning of prakshalayati.
So what are the two types of niche? Can anyone say?
One is the
to use a technical term. I want the technical term, not a general meaning. Technical term.
Swarte.
What is it?
Swarte niche.
Swarte niche. Prerana niche. Here, what niche is it?
Swarte niche.
Swarte niche. Okay.
Sahavastrani prakshalayatim ichati. Prakshalayitum ichati.
Yes. Okay, you can continue. That's on the 2 hours.
Saha samacharam Shrudat is here. Shrotum ichati.
Yes, you understand the difference between Shrotum and Shravayitum.
Yes.
He wants to listen to the news. Shrotum.
So,
Shravayitum, he wants
somebody to listen to that.
Yes.
Saha uttaram jnatum ichati.
Jnadatu prastum, jnatum. He wants the answer. He wants to know the answer.
He wants to know the answer.
Okay, next person, Sundarji. So you can see within bracket he has given the meaning of this tum pratyaya. Always it will be artham, patanartham, gamanartham, chintanartham. That is why the question is kimartham, we ask. So it has the sense of the purpose of doing action. The sampradana karaka shade is there. Okay, that is why he says patanartham. Please continue, Sundar.
Aham patitum vidyalayam gacchami. Saha shayanitum gacchati.
Shayitum.
Shayitum.
Shayanartham is the form. The dhatu is she dhatu becomes shayitum.
Okay.
Similarly, patana. We don't say patitum. We
Patanartham,
don't say
patitum.
na is we don't add to the dhatu. Na is
Okay.
for usage here.
Yeah,
Patana,
yeah.
patanartham. Shayana, shayanartham.
Shayana.
Shayitum,
Shayitum.
to sleep.
Te vanditum gachanti.
Yes.
Taha architum mandiram gachanti. Vidalaha kaditum bhojanalayam pravishati.
Vishati. Bidaraha kaditam. Next person, Ramaji.
मूषकः कर्तनार्थं कर्तयितुम् आगच्छति कृषकः कर्ष्टुं क्षेत्रं गच्छति
Again, what did you say?
कर्षणार्थं is it
Karshtum, yes. Karshtum, yes.
Karshtum. Then te रक्षणार्थं रक्षयितुं द्वारे तिष्ठन्ति
Rakshitum, why rakshitum?
रक्षितुम् ओके सारी रक्षितुं देन् वयं स्मर्तुं
Why smartum?
स्मर्तुं
Yes.
स्मर्तुं प्रातः उत्तिष्ठामः एते विश्वनाथमन्दिरं द्रष्टुं काशीं
Yes. Drashtum.
काशीं गच्छन्ति
Yes. Next person, Sumati. Only two are there.
Yeah. Sa pachana. So it will be paktum.
Yes, good.
Paktum pakashalam gacchati.
Okay.
Then yuvakah chayam patum upahara griham gacchati.
Yes. Chayam is tea, not cha plus ayam. Chayam. Okay. Continue.
Yeah.
Sumati.
So yeah, okay. Balakah vidyalayam gacchati patati. So here you have two kriya padam. So okay. Saha kimartam vidyalayam gacchati. Balakah patitum vidyalayam gacchati.
Yes.
Saha apanam gacchati palani anayati. Saha kimartam apanam gacchati. Saha palani apanar palani.
What is the kriya which is going to be accomplished? That will take tum. So saha gacchati, apanam gacchati, kimartam gacchati.
Anayitum. So anayitum.
No. Yeah. A plus ni dhatu. What will happen? Ni.
Ni will become ne. Ane.
Good. Yes.
Guna karya happens. So
Anetum.
anayitum.
Anetum. Anetum only.
Anetum. Okay.
Yes.
Not ya. Okay. Anetum. Apanam gacchati.
Yes.
Then saha snanan griham gacchati.
Snana griham.
Snana griham. Sorry. Snana griham gacchati. Snati. So saha kimartam snana griham gacchati. Saha snatum.
Yes.
Snana griham gacchati. Then Rama chitralayam gacchati. Chalachitram pashyati. Sa kimartam chitralayam gacchati. Sa chalachitram drashtum chitralayam gacchati.
Yes.
Aham chitralayam gacchami. Chalachitram pashyami. Tvam kimartam chitralayam gacchasi. Aham chalachitram drashtum chitralayam gacchami. Then Ishvaraha Prithivyam. That means what, Sharanjit? Ishvaraha Prithivyam
Avatarati.
Avatarati.
Lord descends to the Prithvi, comes down to the
The
Bhumi,
earth, okay.
the earth.
Bhaktan rakshati.
Hmm.
Sah kimartam prithivyan avadarati. Sah bhaktan rakshitum.
Yes.
Rakshitum prithivyan avadarati.
In all the sentences, you can see the karma is given. Chalachitram bhaktan, for the karma for Vitumanta, which is Rakshitum, Darshtum and all. Okay, next person, Krishnanji.
Yeah.
You can complete this and then stop. Okay.
गजः जलाशयं गच्छति जलं पिबति सः किमर्थं जलाशयं गच्छति
Jalashayam gacchati.
जलाशयं गच्छति सः जलं पातुं जलाशयं गच्छति वयं प्रयागं गच्छामः स्नामः वयं किमर्थं प्रयागं गच्छामः वयं गङ्गायां स्नातुं प्रयागं गच्छामः
Yes.
एते इदानीं शयनागारं गच्छन्ति शयनं कुर्वन्ति एते इदानीं किमर्थं शयनागारं गच्छन्ति एते इदानीं
Shayitum.
शयितुं शयनानगरं गच्छन्ति
Shayitum or Shetum. Let me check, okay. I think it must be Shetum. She becomes She plus, yeah, it is Shetum. Not
Okay.
Shayitum. Let me check, okay. I have some, why it becomes She? She becomes Shetum or Shayitum. If it takes Itagama, then it becomes Shayitum. If it doesn't take Itagama, it is Shetum. I have to check the form. Let me check next week, next
Okay.
class, I'll tell you. I think Shetum also seems to be correct, Shetum. It depends on the dhatu, what dhatu, whether it is it or not. She becomes She. If it doesn't take Itagama, Shetum. If it takes Itagama, it becomes Shayitum. Both seems to be okay for me. I have to check, okay. Yes.
Here we can say Shayanam Kurtum, Kartum.
Simple,
Shayanam
very good.
Kartum.
Yes, very good. You can always say that. Yes. Shayanam Kartum. Comfortable. If you don't know whether it's set or that, always you can say, you can use Kru dhatu. That is a best usage of Kru. If you don't know, simply you can say that that one and say Kru. Shayanam Kartum. Very good. Yes. Please continue.
जननी मन्दिरं गच्छति देवम् अर्चति सा किमर्थं मन्दिरं गच्छति जननी देवम् अर्चितुं मन्दिरं गच्छति बालकः क्रीडाङ्गणं गच्छति क्रीडति सः किमर्थं क्रीडाङ्गणं गच्छति सः क्रीडितुं क्रीडाङ्गणं गच्छति
I think it is Shetum only because it seems to be a Anit Dhatu. Let me check anyway. I'll tell you next class. You can note this page number. Okay, 294. Next class you can tell me. In my book, it's it is 311. Okay, next class we will do. Continue this. So Tum Pratyaya will complete next class. After that we can do Twa and then Lyap, then Shatra and Shanach. This is how we are going to do. So we can stop here. If you have any doubts, you can ask me after the class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnad Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
Dhanyawad ji.
धन्यवाद
शरण जी
धन्यवाद
धन्यवादः जी
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Dhanyawad.